I am so disappointed. I've been waiting here all day for my KitchenAid personal coffee maker, but it never showed up. I even paid extra to get it to be delivered on Saturday. Don't get me wrong. My current coffee maker, there's nothing wrong with it. It's done me well. But you know how it is when you see something shiny and new, and the idea of just getting the coffee already in the cup and just going out the door, that was that was tempting to me. So I broke down and ordered it through Amazon. Oh well, since I don't have my new shiny thing, I'll just go ahead and make my coffee with my old fiberware. This is my version of the bulletproof coffee. I used to put coconut oil in it, but it doesn't really wrap with my mind good with the oil in the coffee. So I put extra whipping cream in to make up for the fat I'm losing, and I put the coconut oil somewhere else. I use my wand blender to get the coffee all frothy. Even though I paid extra for Saturday, they said it'll be another 2 or 3 days. And if it doesn't make it in 3 days, to give them a call or go back to their website. Guess I'll be patient. Hopefully they'll give me my extra money I spent for Saturday delivery. I'll let you know when I get my new KitchenAid personal coffee maker. Thanks for watching. Tech Natural, the Keto Queen, out.